In this video, I am going to show you how to use emoji for conditional highlightings in Apple numbers. So this is on sample table for student scores. Now I want to highlight those student score which is greater than 90. That means if a student get more than 90, then their score will be highlighted with some emoji like tick mark or some colorful emoji. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to select the column where we want to apply this conditional formatting. I'm going to apply based on this column. So I'm going to double click on top of it, I mean B column, then it will select only the data, not other things. Then we have to come this format section. If the format section is not appeared, just click here, the format section sidebar window will be appeared. Now we have to choose data format. We have to click automatic, this arrow button, and we have to choose the last one, create custom format. So I'm going to click here, it will bring like this. Now you can name it as you want, it is not important. Now we have to choose the type. This is a number, that's why I'm going to use number format. And here we need to build our custom format. We need to add a rule. I'm going to click here and it will expand it, and it is giving us on drop down again. We have to choose the option which we want to do. For example, here my goal is to highlight only those students score which is greater than 90, for example. So I am going to choose this one, if greater than, and then I have to type the value. Here I am going to type the value 90. Now we need to add the format. We can click here and then we can insert the emoji here. I'm going to insert in emoji. I'm going to remove everything first, and then from here I'm going to choose on emoji. Suppose for example I'm going to choose this emoji. This is fine, and then I'm going to press OK button so that emoji will be inserted. Now we need to add the format. I'm going to drag and drop it the format, and then we can also add a small space so that it will look nice. So I'm going to add a space over there also, and then I'm going to press OK button, and very shortly you will see that here this score will be updated. I mean this way it will be highlighted. I'm going to press OK button and see here it is highlighting. So only this two score has more than 90 plus, that's why this two score is highlighted. And that's it. In this way we can easily use emoji for conditional highlighting in Apple numbers.